A nation full of energy, capability, and unparalleled potential demands a strong foundation, a foundation of steel, which can withstand the hopes and dreams of millions who live and breathe India. That is what we believe in, a vision to build a nation. We are SBF Group. One of the leading names in the Indian steel industry. SBF Rapid TMT is one of the largest plants in northern India. Under the leadership of our young, dynamic and visionary directors, Shri Ashu Gupta, Shri Vineet Gupta, Shri Lalit Bansal, Shri Sanjeev Kumar Garg, Shri Krishna Kumar Gupta, and Shri Devendra Kumar Gupta. Their long life expertise and experience in the fields of manufacturing and trading has helped us in reaching new heights of success. The SBF Ispat Private Limited, strategically located at Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, in Delhi NCR region. A greenfield project establishes itself as a cutting-edge enterprise, engaged in manufacturing of high-quality TMT bars of grade FE 500D, 550D, FE 600 and a wide range of billets and long steel products.
SBF Group 550D TMT बार को देने के लिए कमिटेड है, जो कि नए भारत का निर्माण करने के लिए आज की ज़रूरत है। SBF का मतलब है Strong Build Forever.
A perfect mix of automation and manpower. Our plant deploys state-of-the-art technology and infrastructure.
We are very happy to install and commission our drive and automation systems based on the world-class Japanese technology from Fuji Electric Japan at SBF Ispat. Also, we are very much satisfied to see that operational team of SBF have commissioned and stabilized the quality and production successfully.
SBF Group uses superior quality sponge iron. We make green steel as the plant uses advanced steel making process of direct hot charging, by which the billet obtained from the caster is directly transferred into the rolling mill in the hot condition itself, which is then moved into the quenching box, where the water helps to bring down the temperature from 900 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. SBF is one of the leading manufacturers utilizing Thermex Germany, world's #1 quenching and self-tempering QST technology in the country, which ensures longevity to SBF Rapid TMT bars.
SBF Ispat is the latest rolling mill from the state of Rajasthan to have opted for German design, original, proprietary, licensed Thermex quenching and self-tempering system. I am confident with Thermex, SBF Ispat will scale newer heights and become a prominent supplier of international quality rebars in West India. My very best wishes to Team SBF Ispat.
The CNC technology provides perfectly uniform ribbed pattern for strong bonding with RCC, ensuring strength and durability to the structures. With a production capacity of 3 lakh metric tons per annum, we are setting new benchmarks every day across various business domains. SBF Rapid QST bars, having 4-in-1 power, which retains high ductile, corrosion resistance, earthquake resistance, and fire resistance. We guarantee a safe backbone to structures and protect them from natural calamities and the tests of time.
We at SBF Rapid Limited has been committed to the quality. We have been manufacturing 550D SBF Rapid TMT bar. The bar has been produced with the help of the German technology. We have covered the northern states of India and soon will be available at the whole pan India. So what we say is always SBF means strong, built forever.
Higher fatigue resistance, better rib area and transverse rib angle. These are the traits which make SBF Rapid QST bars a force to reckon with. The automatic bundling packaging of our TMT bars ranges from 50 kilograms to 3,000 kilograms and ensures timely, secured and rust-free delivery to the construction sites. We can provide customized cutting as per the customer's requirements. A prolific team of energetic engineers and technicians work in our world-class laboratories to bring out new products every day. Our methodological marketing and technical teams work hand in hand to meet market demand and innovation. SBF Rapid QST Bars has spread its wings to deliver its uncompromising steel in the markets of Delhi NCR, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Tri-City and Western Uttar Pradesh. We guarantee direct and indirect employment to thousands of workers across the country. SBF Rapid QST Bars has set itself apart in the market. Competitive pricing, time-bound delivery, without compromising on quality is our success mantra. We are an ISO 45001-2018 and ISO 9001-2015 certified enterprise. Approved by all the major nodal agencies. When you put your trust in SBF products, you are investing in steel for life. Pioneering thought, tech-driven leaders and operational excellence make us what we are today. For us, sky is the limit, from ore to the core. We are the SBF Group.